Hello everyone, welcome to this example on pie chart where it is a circle that is divided into sectors such that each sector, let me zoom in, each sector is proportional to the size of its data. Okay, that is the keyword proportional. So the following example shows Melvin's monthly expenditure, and this expenditure is 80% of his monthly income. So things to note for pie chart that it must of course have some title or at least a description for us to know what does it represent. Each category must be clearly labeled that is in each sector, and the size of each category is represented by the angle of this sector. This is all the angles, okay? Alright, so let's take a look at this example. What percentage of its expenses are on the others, which is here? Well, since we are talking about percentage, then I saw that food and clothes are given in terms of the angles, and I'm going to find the percentage for food first, okay, which is 90 degrees. So you will then see me writing this down. The percentage on food, since I know it's 90 degrees, 90 degrees will be over 360 degrees multiplied by 100%. So this will give me 25%. Okay, so now I know food is 25%. For clothes, it's 1/8 of the whole circle. So for clothes, we just need to multiply or convert the fraction into percentage, and that will give me 12.5%. And once we know all the percentage, so this is 12.5%, then we can find others already, because total up we should have 100%, yeah. And therefore the percentage on others is equals to 100% minus away my 25% on clothes, 12.5% on clothes, 25% is on food. What else? 20% entertainment, 30% transport. To give me the final answer, 7.5%. Alright, come let's look at the next question. Well, he spent $105 more on entertainment than on clothes. So if I go back to this pie chart, entertainment is 20%, clothes is 12.5%. So I'm going to just indicate here. Entertainment is 20%, clothes is 12.5%. Then what is his monthly income? Step 1, of course, I do need to find what is his monthly expenditure. How much he spent? So I need to find this first, because this is 80% of his total income, monthly income. Yeah, so there's two steps. Step 1 is for us to find his monthly expenditure. So I would have to know what percentage represents 105%, and you will see me writing this down. So now I know 7.5% is represented by $105. So I will have to find my 100%, where I will first divide by 7.5 to find what is 1%. Once I know this, I just need to multiply by 100. Then I will get my 100%, which amounts to $1,400, and that is the monthly expenditure. Step 1 done. And once I know this, right, then I know this expenditure is actually 80% of the monthly income. And so for the next part, right, I would then have 80% represented by $1,400, so that when I find the 100% in this case, where I divide by 80 to get 1%, then I multiply by 100. This will then be my monthly income. And with that, we have come to the end of this particular example on pie chart. Well, so if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.